Okay, real talk. Can someone who barely knows what a variable is actually build a real app using only free AI tools? To keep things fair for this project, I'm gonna use JavaScript. First, let's hit up Chrome, my favorite browser. Not sponsored, by the way. Alright, searching download JavaScript real quick. Oh, sponsored by Microsoft. How sweet. Wish that was me. Guys, PSA. I got lost for 3 hours downloading every environment known to man, but we're finally live in VS Code. Hello, VS Code. Sponsor me, pretty please? Ahem. Wait, DeepSeek? Sounds like a dark web conspiracy, is it? Anyway, I asked it for code, and bam! It generated so many files. HTML? CSS? JavaScript? Why do we need all this? No wonder programmers don't live that long. Step 1. Copy index.html. Great name, by the way. Paste it. Step 2. Do I need a JavaScript file? No clue. We're going nowhere. Let me ask the AI again. What? It gave you the whole HTML file now? Should have done that first. Ugh, these things are... Anyway, what's an API? Let me research real quick. Hope it's free. YouTube hasn't sponsored me yet. Can you even get sponsored by YouTube? If yes, I'll be a millionaire in a day. Update. Got the API. Or is it APL? Who names these? The moment of truth. Did it work? Obviously not. I'm a beginner. Just kidding. Yes! Wait, actually, it's a crappy app. Who'd buy this? I won't be a millionaire today. BRB gonna cry into my Python calculator. Time to activate the habit tracker. I'm Putin's grandson. Judge me. Asked my partner in crime, DeepSeek. Think they'll sponsor me after all this free promo? OMG. It gave me the whole code this time. Does DeepSeek know I'm dull? Hope they sponsor us strugglers too. This code's longer than my tax forms. Thanks to AI, no sweat, pasted everything without reading. It's not Python, hieroglyphics. Let's run it. Wow. Wow. Such a beautiful app. I'm rich. Guys, how much for this? What's it do though? You add a habit. Maybe you can make money while being dull. Top secret idea. What if I sponsor myself using sponsors' names, then sue them when they don't pay? So yes, you can make a cool app and earn thousands of money. Now, let's find buyers. Final boss time! Activating the DeepWeb missile. Hope it destroys bunkers. Wait, what's the difference between a missile and a B-2 bomber? Same thing, right? This project's sick. Look at all those lines of code. Soon I'll be sponsoring people. Money, baby! Coding is just Control-C, Control-V now. AI made us all geniuses. Paste it, baby girl. Don't forget .html. Wow, I feel like a senior dev. Can I code GTA 7 now? Bug in the code? Nah, just run it. YOLO! It's alive! Background. Sick! Upload and summarize? Works. Generate quiz? Boom! Marks! Dashboard? Chef's kiss! Upload another PDF? Why's nothing changing? DeepWeb. Betrayal. The app's fake. Same data every time. Why me? I'd already picked a mansion. Don't give up, Jodzamax. But why shouldn't I? So, the verdict? Yeah, I can't make a real app. Not yet. I make CRAPPY apps. Hot garbage. Digital dumpster fires!